Di mo tutuan mo pa yung mga sinilita. Nabalita sa mga di namin ini sila ko di so kapag nagtay ganyan sa Pilipinas. Di mga kabubaran kape. Kasi lagi di ba sa tarin yung mga Bagan natin mo, kung kita sisilis na natin yung mali yung pala, hindi mo mabiyaman na kan. Hindi ka nagkawag sila nila yan. Pumunta ko mas kan. Iman, nabigay din nila.
Okay na po, sir.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. This afternoon, we'll be having, it's April 30, 2020, and we're having to bid, to open this bidding proposals of bidders 2013 infrastructure for civil works. Before going with the details, may I request Engineer Attorney Poy to do the invocation.
Assalamualaikum, good afternoon. Let us pray. وقال ربكم ادعوني استجب لكم ومن يدعوني. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما نافعا وارزقني فهما ورشدا برحمتك يا ارحم الراحمين. صلى الله على خير خلقه سيدنا محمد بفضل سبحان ربك عزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين الحمد لله.
Okay, thank you very much. So let us proceed with the acknowledgement of the participants to be given to us by the procurement staff secretary.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. For today's bid opening for 13 civil works projects, here are the attendees. Sir Jorkan P. Mansungayan, the back chairperson. Engineer Limondaya Tanggol, back member. Engineer Mashoud Mastor Ibrahim, back member. Engineer Monarico L. Maraki, back provisional member and user. Engineer Sherlyn Avila, Head of the BAC Secretariat, Attorney Numayri S. Amirol, Head of the BAC TWG, Ma'am Hannalyn S. Piang, BAC TWG Member, Engineer Jessica Romano, BAC Secretariat, Ma'am Grace Marcelo, BAC Secretariat, Engineer Vanessa J. Salazar, BAC Secretariat, Engineer Orfa Malazarte, BAC TWG Member, Engineer Paul Daniel Salas, BAC TWG Member. We also have representatives from different construction firms. We have Ma'am Belen S. Danogo from Amplex and Unified Workers Joint Venture, and Sir Benjamin Bangon from Plums Construction. That would be all, sir.
Tapos na yun? So thank you very much for acknowledging the participants to this bid opening in the. How about the observers? Do you have observers? So please go to the record that we had sent the invitation to observers, but as of the moment, there is nothing much yet. In the for the contractors, no, I understand there are contractors who are with us today. How about online?
None.
We also have, no?
None, sir.
So with that, we welcome you to this bid opening, and thank you for your attendance, for joining us in this bid opening. As to the determination of the quorum, as I was listening, we have four attendees from the composition of the Beach and Awards Committee out of 6 membership. And with that, we have a majority attendance, and therefore I declare this bid opening forum and in order. So please be informed that prior to the bid evaluation, the Beach and Awards Committee shall examine first the technical components of the bids using the pass or fail criteria to determine whether all required documents are present. Only bids that are determined to contain all the bid requirements of the technical component shall be considered for opening and evaluation of their financial component. For the ceiling for the bid prices, the EBC shall be the upper limit or ceiling for the bid prices. Bid prices that exceeds the ceiling shall be disqualified outright from further participating in the bidding. There shall be no lower limit to the amount of the award. No? So yun po yung ano. So for the projects which I informed that I'll be giving you in detail, first is we have here contract ID number 24MO0040. This is the construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Kalaan, Bogdon, Maguindanao del Norte with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos with a duration of 120 calendar days. We have 24MO0043. This is construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Lamin, Barira, Maguindanao del Norte with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos with a duration of 120 calendar days. And then 24MO0114, this is the construction of multi-purpose building, Barangay Poblacion, Malapatan, Sarangani with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos with a duration of 120 calendar days. In 24MO0118, this is the road widening, Marble Macau Road, kilometer 1661 plus negative 551 to kilometer 1661 plus 348, kilometer 1663 plus 825 to kilometer 1665 plus 492, and then kilometer 1666 plus 120 to kilometer 1666 plus 700, Pulumulok South Cotabato with an ABC of 51,853,310 pesos with a duration of 180 calendar days. And then 24MO0136, this is the construction of multi-purpose building, Covered Court in Emiliano B. Bacual National High School, Barangay Crossing, Robert South Cotabato with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos with a duration of 120 calendar days. And 24MO0140, this is a preventive maintenance, Digos Macar Road, kilometer 1650 to plus 324 to kilometer 1650 plus 445, General Santos City with an ABC of 16,748,540 pesos with a duration of 148 calendar days. Then 24MO0141, this is a preventive maintenance, Digos Macar Road, kilometer 1651 plus 432 to kilometer 1651 plus 594, General Santos City with an ABC of 11,208,475 pesos with a duration of 38 calendar days. Then 24MO0143, this is the construction of road slope protection structure, Digos Macar Road, kilometer 1634 plus 300 plus 1634 plus 355, General Santos City with an ABC of 33,437 pesos, 250,000 pesos with a duration of 174 calendar days. Then 24MO0144, this is a construction of road slope protection structure, Digos Macar Road, kilometer 1635 plus 164 to kilometer 1635 plus 290, and then kilometer 1635 plus 510 to kilometer 1635 plus 620, General Santos City with an ABC of 64,172,500 pesos with a duration of 207 calendar days. In 24MO0253, this is the construction of multi-purpose building, Mataya, Bogdon, Maguindanao del Norte, with an ABC of 4,950,000 pesos, with a duration of 120 calendar days. In 24MO0256, this is construction of evacuation center, Damatog Garden, Kabuntalan, Maguindanao del Norte, with an ABC of 4,950,000 with a duration of 120 calendar days. Then 24MO0122, this is the construction of concrete revetment, phase 2, station 0 plus 000 to station 0 plus 645, Barangay Kulinan, 6, Polomolok, South Cotabato with an ABC of 96,500,000 pesos with a duration of 284 calendar days. Finally, 24MO0219, this is the construction of riverbank protection, Losanes, station 0 plus 000 to station 0 plus 745, Barangay Solit, Polomolok, South Cotabato, with an ABC of 120,625,000 pesos with a duration of 293 calendar days. So these are the 13 civil works that we're going to open the bids, proposals of participating bidder who have submitted their bid documents. Now, before we can go with the opening of the technical proposals of the bidders, we're going to determine first the eligibility of the participating bidder, whether they are qualified or disqualified to join. So we have heard the electronic eligibility screening of for the contract ID number 24MO0040. We have heard Plums Engineering and Construction, passed as to work experience and an FCC. NKU Construction and Supply, passed also as to work experience and an FCC. So with that, may I request the TWG to please open the technical proposals of these two contractors for evaluation by the Bids and Awards Committee. Next is we have contract ID number 24MO0043. By the way, please be informed that we are recorded, no? And eventually we will be live via YouTube.